Hey friends, it has been a minute since I have seen you. It's been a couple of weeks. It is what it is. Life has been lifing over here.
Welcome. Please like and subscribe for more art content just like this.
I am sorry for falling off the face of the earth for just a couple of weeks, but I'm here and I want to talk about a couple things today. So, and stay till the end because I have a question for you guys, because I have a really exciting opportunity coming up and I need questions from you. So that's kind of what's been going on. You know, we're rounding out the end of the school year. You guys know that my daughter has dyslexia and dyscalculia, and we are working through it, but it's been really difficult because the program that she's in a math and reading program through one of the local school districts, and the program that she's in has pretty high expectations for basically for all of the students, even though it's a work from home program. Excuse me. The other subjects I just teach her myself, so we're just doing like a part-time situation with them, and all that stuff is going well because my kid is, as you know, she's like crazy artsy. She's just like me, if not like even more phenomenal. We have a joke in our family that she could build you a 3-bedroom 2-bath house with a cereal box and scotch tape. But yeah, it's all been going. It's just we're rounding out the school year and I'm trying to get her caught up because there's so many places where she kind of like fell behind with reading, even though, you know, we're all doing our best, you know, to help her. And so yeah, so that's been kind of crazy. I've been trying to do that with math. She is like on point. She's a math kid, so I'm like, that's great, because I wasn't. I was the opposite. I was always the reading kid, not the math kid. But like I could write a paper in like an hour, like the night before the paper is due. That was always me. I was always like, I can do it, it's fine, I'll do it like last minute and I take care of it and then it would be okay. But I also like, that's the ADHD part of my brain, I believe, as well. So that's what's been going on there. And I have been in the middle of like remodeling this house too. So this house is my dad's house that I rent out from him, and my brother and my dad both lived here up until a couple months ago. My brother and his girlfriend found a place for themselves, and then my dad, you know, has moved out with his significant other, and it's been crazy, but like stressful at the same time, because you know when somebody moves out they usually like leave like a thing or two here, or like it's still my dad's house, right? And he's lived here for like 8 years and I've only lived here for like a couple. So it's difficult to kind of like navigate that, but we like finally, I think we're in a place in the last few weeks where like everything is cleared out and now technically it's like my house essentially. So that's been really nice. I got a Zen den set up that I can show you guys another time. So this is my bedroom that I'm in right now, and I've been doing my art stuff up here, but in the summer it gets pretty warm up here, so I'm thinking about also like moving this stuff down to the Zen den. So I'm gonna think about that and see like how that goes. I also decided to torture myself extra and I got a puppy for myself in December for my birthday. And so I'm also like dealing with like brand new puppy, like absolute freaking chaos. And she's so sweet. She's adorable, but she is just like, I'm not used to chaos puppies. The last time I had a puppy was 12 years ago, and he's still around. He's my little white dog, if you've ever seen him, Rambo. And he was like, he's always been like super chill. He's just like a little purse dog that just like minds his own business and just wants to sleep in your lap and has literally no other needs. So that's what I've been used to. And even though I worked in the vet field for a really long time, this dog specifically, I'm like, oh my god, like big dog puppy chaos it's testing my patience for sure. That's okay. She's still doing great. She's listening. Like it's totally fine. So so that's been going on. I'm trying to think what else. I started watching a couple friends' kids during the week, just because like I'm here and they needed childcare, and I'm like, yeah, come like let your kids hang out with me, like that's totally fine. You know, and then that helps with things too. And so yeah, it's just like during the day I'm like pretty constantly busy, and then I'm trying to do all the Milan art stuff. I've honestly taken probably like a 6-week break from it while all of this stuff has been going on. and it's been tough to take a break because like that's my outlet, but it's been really hard to like get set up and do things because I've been very tired at the end of every day. And oh, along those lines too, like I said, I'm in the Portland metro area. I think I said that in the beginning. If not, I'm telling you now. I'm in the Portland metro area, and so I also, as you guys know, I'm a little bit like on the woo-woo. I'm a lot on the woo-woo side of life, and I incorporate that into my painting. And so I've also partnered with the Soul Ascension studio here in Vancouver to do some like spiritual painting classes. And so I had my first one last weekend, and it was so magical. It was amazing. I loved it. And that's going to be a once a month thing. I'm going to do painting classes once a month that are going to be spiritually centered paintings where you like tune into yourself, and then you paint whatever we're going to do. And I think for the next one we're going to do a paint your aura, because this one was a paint your spirit portrait, and this one I think we're going to do a paint your aura, this next one. So if you're interested in that and you're local, please sign up. Like, the link is in my link tree, and I'd be happy to see you there. There's also, if you are local and you are into the woo-woo side of things and like sound baths and energy healing and Akashic records and psychics and like all of those things, look up Soul Ascension Studios, because I think there's like a dozen practitioners between all of us, and there's so many people that are doing so many wonderful things in the community. I also do Safe Space Sundays there, and I do group chakra alignments, and so that's like my class lineup. The Safe Space Sunday is the 4th Sunday of every month, where you can just like come hang out. If you need to release some stuff, let's release some stuff. If you can hold space for people, you can also come to help hold space. It's just, it is what it is. It's just like people coming together to just exist and have no expectations. And I think we need more of that in society, because everywhere you go, they require you to pay. Except for like a local park, like even parking to go to a park, sometimes you still have to pay. And so I like being able to facilitate a space where nothing is required of you. You don't have to financially, there's no financial obligation to come sit and hang out with people. I could go on a tangent for quite a while about that. So that's also been going on. So forgive me if I haven't been here on YouTube as much as I want to be. But yeah, so the thing that I really want to talk to you guys about after the recap on my life in the last couple of months is I live in the Portland metro area, and I get to do a tour of Gamblin, and I am ecstatic about it. And it's like just the regular tour, right? It's like nothing extra special, but I am ecstatic that I get to go see how the sausage is made as far as paints go. So my question for you guys, because we're working on getting it scheduled either in May or June. My question for you guys is, what questions do you have about Gamblin, about oil paints? Like, what stuff do you guys want to know so that I could ask, you know, the tour guide, or like I could find it out while I'm there? Because I want to relay all of that stuff to you. I'm going to make a video about it, and I'm just like extra jazzed that I get this opportunity. So what questions do you have? Let me know, and I will ask, and I will see you next time. Like it's a little bit of chaos over here, but we're making it through, and I'm just happy to see you guys. I just realized my shirt has a bad word on it. It's my favorite sweater, sorry. Okay, I will see you guys next time. I hope you're doing very well. Drop in the comments what questions you have for Gamblin, and I'll see you soon.